Australia, a land of stunning contrasts and diverse landscapes, is a traveler's paradise, offering a kaleidoscope of experiences that cater to all tastes and preferences. This beautiful continent, surrounded by the Indian and Pacific Oceans, is a mosaic of bustling cities, serene beaches, lush rainforests, and the arid beauty of the Outback. As you embark on your Australian adventure, you'll be greeted by the warm, welcoming spirit of its people, reflecting the country's rich cultural tapestry. Australia's cities, like Sydney and Melbourne, are vibrant hubs of activity, where modern architecture blends seamlessly with historic landmarks. The iconic Sydney Opera House and the majestic Harbour Bridge are not just architectural marvels but symbols of Australia's innovative spirit. The Great Barrier Reef, a jewel in Australia's natural crown, is an underwater spectacle. Diving or snorkeling in this kaleidoscopic world of coral and marine life is an unforgettable experience, a vivid reminder of the beauty our planet holds. The Australian coastline, with its pristine beaches and clear waters, offers relaxation and adventure in equal measure. Whether it's surfing in Gold Coast or unwinding on the white sands of Bondi Beach, the ocean's embrace is always near. In the heart of the country lies the mystical Uluru, a sacred site to the indigenous Anangu people. This massive sandstone monolith, changing colors with the sun's movement, is a testament to the timeless beauty of Australia's outback. The Outback, with its vast, open spaces and unique wildlife, is a place where you can truly feel the pulse of the earth. Speaking of wildlife, Australia is a haven for animal lovers. From the adorable koalas and kangaroos to the more elusive platypuses and echidnas, the continent is a treasure trove of unique species. The wildlife parks and sanctuaries offer opportunities to interact with these creatures, fostering a deeper appreciation for nature's wonders. The Australian climate is as varied as its landscape, ranging from tropical in the north to temperate in the south. This diversity in weather patterns ensures that Australia is a year-round destination. Whether you seek the warmth of the sun in the summer or the crisp air of the winter, Australia's doors are always open. Australia isn't just a destination. It's an experience, a journey that stays with you long after you've left its shores. It's a place where every traveler finds a piece of themselves, amid the natural beauty and the welcoming smiles of its people. So, pack your bags and set off on an Australian adventure that promises to be nothing short of extraordinary.